Should be fun. All right, so we have a problem here. I wrecked the trailer. So this thing took a good hit. You can see that the cage is bent in. And that back, let's see, let's zoom in here. See that misalignment of that bar? So this whole thing shoved that way. Even though it hit here, the cage is pushed out. So yeah, ended up putting a tire off the road, and once the tire was off the road, the top heavy nature of the tent just brought the whole thing onto its side. Trailer hitch actually popped off of the ball. Batteries fell out, leaked. I've got to replace the batteries. Caused a bit of damage on the frame. Man, I haven't even really looked in here. Let's take a look. Yeah, it looks kind of bad. All the floorboards came up. It's because this piece here, I never welded it back on after I replaced the deck. So now got a lot of work to do. So this will actually give me a lot of steel. I'll be able to take all these panels off. I'm going to create a hood for my wife for her resin station. So I'll be using a lot of this plastic to build the hood out into the window there to pull the resin fumes out. But yeah, man, end of an era. Lasted a while. But yeah, that was too severe, so this bar is bent that way. This one's, it's all right, but all the panels are popped. Like punched a hole in that, and then this obviously caved in. But yeah, straight axle, leaf springs, no suspension, not wide enough tires. Oh yeah, so we've got a bit of planning to do. I found a trailer that I'm gonna move everything over to. It's a 53 Studebaker truck trailer conversion, and it has a really long tongue and it's wider, so we'll be able to put this on there. It won't interfere when we get a crazy pitch. I got myself a trailer dolly. I was able to move the trailer from all the way over there without having to hook it up to the truck, so that's a plus. But yeah, we're gonna take all this, all the electrical stuff we built, we're gonna take the panel, I'll punch that through the firewall, the bed of the truck, and yeah, we're gonna have to get busy. Let's start stripping this thing. I don't know how I'm getting that off the roof. That's gonna be a problem. So it's just me out here. So I'm gonna have to rig up something. I'm gonna have to figure out how to pull that off. Right now, this is off the hinges. So, and this is all shoved over and bent. So these latches aren't coming off very easy. When I do, this whole thing's gonna pop up because of the hydraulic lifts. So we're gonna see how this goes. But this should be good. I'll be able to move all the lights and everything over to the Studebaker. It's gonna have some cool body lines. It's got some good mud flaps. I'll be able to do some metal work forming and it's pretty bad. But we will rebuild. We will rebuild. So as you can see right here, this frame is definitely a lot more bent than you can see from the front. That bar is pushed over. Yeah, it seems like when the tent hit, the weight of the trailer made the center push out to the right while the top of the tent bent to the left. Yeah. Either way, it's going to be pretty easy fix to move over to the new truck. So start pulling things apart. Alright, so here we can see the extent of the damage. Pretty much all the floorboards except the far left one are out of place. Oh man, the battery's completely tipped, dumped. Gonna sort that out when I remove that and move it to the new truck. And speaking of the new truck, I got the call, heading out to go pick it up. Here's a couple shots from heading up the hill. So we get there, we purchase the truck, and we head back, and we stopped at a store real quick to go grab some stuff, and I took a moment to get a little walk around video. So this is it. This is the new Studebaker. So this is what the next video will be moving everything over to. So stick around, see how the build goes. I'm gonna be reforming the metal, doing a little bit of body work and maybe even painting. I'm not sure if I want to try to keep the patina, you know. Let me know what you think. See you next time.